Hi everyone, today we're going to have a look at the long multiplication strategy, an excellent strategy for multiplying two double-digit numbers or more. It could be used for much larger numbers, but today I'm going to focus just on a two-digit number multiplied by a two-digit number. So the first thing that you have to understand about this strategy is that it's a two-step strategy. Most other strategies that you will have learned up until now are single step, but this does involve two steps. The first step we do some multiplying, the second step we do some adding. So this is what we do to begin with. We're going to set up our long multiplication equation like this. So I normally write the largest number on top and the smaller number on the bottom. And then we sort of create some lines here. The first part is for the multiplying. The second part's going to be the addition. So I'm just going to put my addition symbol a little bit further out, just in case my number turns into a four-digit number. I like to do that just to organize my work pretty clearly. Some people, they will not draw the lines in until after they've done the multiplying part. I like to do it this way, just to make it a little bit clearer for myself. So what we have to do first is we have to break up our bottom number into its place value. So thinking about its ones or its units and its tens. And we're going to start by multiplying by its ones, and then we'll multiply by its tens. And we're going to multiply both the ones and the tens by the number up here, which is 47. So to begin with, I'm going to start by multiplying my 5 by the 7 and then my 5 by the 40. So I know my 5s pretty well, so 5 7s are 35. So I write my 5 here and I carry the 3. So there is some carrying going on here. Next, I need to multiply 5 by the 40. So I don't add that 3 in to that 4 to make it 7. I add it at the end. So 5 times 4 is 20, which means 200 because I'm multiplying 5 by 40. And then I add that 3 to make it 230. Okay, that's step 1. What I like to do is I always use a pencil for any of my maths work, and I like to rub out the number that I carried there because I may have to do some more carrying. And if I look at the 2 and I look at 7, I think, I know that I'm going to have to do some carrying because double 7 is more than 9. So it's very important that I think about that. So what I need to do next is I'm going to multiply this 2, which is a 20, by the 7, and then the 4, which is a 40. So to begin with, I need to put in a zero here to hold the place. Because if I don't do that, it's like me multiplying 2 by 7 and 2 by the 40, when actually it's 20. So it is important we remember that too. So 2 times 7, as I said earlier, I know that's more than 9. I know my doubles, it's actually 14. So I put 4 here, and I carry the extra 10. Remembering this is not 5, I'm not adding them together, it's not 14. It's just an extra 10 that I know I need to add back. So now I do 2 or the 20 by the 40, which is 8 or 80, and then I add that extra 1 in, which makes it 90, or 900 I should say, because 9 tens are 900. So now I've done the multiplication part. So my next job is to do the addition, so I have to do an addition afterwards. And so it's the basic vertical addition strategy now. 5 and 0 is 5. 3 and 4, or 3 tens and 4 tens is 7 tens. 2 and 9, or 200 and 900 is 11. Glad I left that extra column there. 11 100s, which is 1,000. So my answer is 1,175. And so that's how we do long multiplication. As I said, an excellent strategy for multiplying two-digit numbers, two-digit numbers. But as I said, you have to remember that it's a two-step process. You have to remember about the carrying that you have to do.